May God uphold thee. We lay our future in thy hands. United free for liberty, together we always stand.
On behalf of the government, I want to say thank you for pushing us. And the person who felt the push the most was the president of Uganda. Let me now conclude by telling you the way forward. So the president has okayed and he has invested in creating what they call, let me give the technical name first. It is called the Robust Integrated Copyright Management System. But in short, CMS, Copyright Management System. But the full name for tech is Robust Integrated Copyright Management System. Step 1. Let the system have your song in its database. Bible egamba tokoleza taala wansi w'ekitanda. Let your song be up there. Then, so if John Black's song has been played, that way. You know that song? Is it Bwabwa or Way? That one is a real copyright. It's the only one who knows what is sung. So, UCC will detect that now Mao FM has played that way. Now you don't get your money that very day. That is where the collecting societies come in. They collect, they kulembeka, and then they give you regularly. Now that collecting agency has a monitoring agency, which is UCC, to monitor. So now the collecting agency is not going to be a power unto themselves. The UCC is going to be the overall. Yes. And URSP is going to be monitoring everything. What then? So there is no dog that is going to be too big. Whether you are a producer, whether you are what, sign the law. Before the president signs the law, when Parliament has sent it to him, he writes to the Minister of Justice and he says, can I sign?
And you are the one.
And you're the one. And I was there in Parliament. The Attorney General was there in Parliament. So we will simply say, yes, sir. So this baby shower of ours is worthwhile, and we have enjoyed it, and we are going to continue enjoying it. We will request the president to do a public signing of this note. For once, there is a law that has owners. You own this law. Yes. You have demonstrated that you own this law properly. It is yours. That is why we will request the president to invite you. And if need be, since you have even said you want to give him. Mukenda muwamu. Kulira nti ebigenza abadde agamba bino ebidongo bigoba n'emizimu. Wabaawo emizimu egitawaanya gavumenti yaffe. Tubenda omuzimu tugigobe. I think, Beatrice, our home now has no mizimu.
Welcome to our home. This is a sign of unity.
Omuganda agamba agali awamu abataka abeegasse. That one was a bit high for some people. Ekiyita waggulu amaleeyo empungu terya bire. So pick one lesson from what you have achieved. That you need to be organized. Absolutely. It's not difficult to ignore disorganized people. You have been ignored for long because you were disorganized. The moment you got organized, with all our power as the state, we could not ignore you. So, you are celebrating the power of unity and organization. Anaye mutulumulire nkuyege muntu butinitini naye buzimba ekiswa. Because of being united, these ants, they can build a huge anthill. Because everyone has a duty. Now, not everybody can be Eddie Benzo. Not everybody can be a president. Not everybody can be on the board. But everybody can make your organization strong if you play your role. Government likes to associate n'ebitambula. Ekintu ekiba kitambula tukigoberera mu bwangu. Ate oluusi tukiwamba. Bagambye nti ekiyita waggulu otega wansi. Abanene bali eri waggulu, naye kampeyini ejja n'etuuka. Kambabuulire kalikulamu y'ebyobufuzi ekyuse okutuukirira omuntu wa wansi. Mwami King Kalisa, obwedda bakugeya wano munnange ankulopere bakuliko kitemwagala kusasula weba broadcaster nze sibaddeemu bano bakenzo ya bakunze Owenda bakugeya sebo. Ngenda kuloopera. That is how they will come over. So, campaign has changed. I left Parliament 20 years ago. I'm coming back this time. When I went to campaign, I found that people who were born when I was leaving Parliament are now in charge of the ground. I know all the English from Makerere, Pepperdine University, even the Yale University of Bill Clinton and George Bush, but that was not going to be enough for me to win. I needed to call creatives. They told me, Mr. Mao, Amatai Gasule Wali, Tony mu fashion show. Oluzungu lwofuwa teruja kugasa. Ffe twagala otubulire, twagala kutuuka wali, tutuuka tutya. Nenoonya bano ab'amasimu, oluusi oyita laale, okunga abantu weetaaga abantu abakuba ku nnyimba. Even politics has a new curriculum now. And I can tell you that has been true from the level of the presidential campaign. Even the MC1 campaign is going to happen like that. Didn't you have to do that song? It's on your way. We are going to do a collaboration soon. Hey, Auntie, I'm Chairman Mao. So, even the president had to look for you, the creatives. Now, music comes where words and other forms of expression have ended. When you are so happy, you run out of ways of expressing your happiness, then you just burst into song. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. That's when now you need it. So, when you are very emotional, that's why the Bible has the book of Psalms. It's full of songs. And that is why even in church, they have songs and music. Of course, the standards of religious songs may not be as high in my village. Our standard is the one in the Bible because it says, make joyful noises unto the Lord. So the standard is not as high as yours. It's just joyful noises. So, I have joined you in 2006 when we passed this law. I was a member of parliament. Our chairman was the late Jacob Olanya. We passed 3 laws on intellectual property. They were very difficult. These laws are a bit boring. Many members of parliament don't even understand these laws. That's true. The Patents Act, Copyright Act, Trademarks Act. The Registrar General of URSB is a specialist in intellectual property. So history has blessed us to have somebody, a ekintu akitegeera waliwo okumanya naye waliwo okutegeera. There are many people who know but they don't understand. Today we are each bar will have that machine or a chip installed in their place of entertainment, and it is a must. Tekiriko kuteesa you must accept ne license ya KCCA ne license ya Mukono Municipal Council. Ebimu kubikwakirizo. The conditions of getting the license is to have that chip in your bag. Omukadde akwatira kuki kate tubakutte bawedde. So this is how it will be enforced. Now if you don't have a license, your business will be closed because you're operating without a license. We are making this chip to be a condition for licensing your bar or place of entertainment. So that is technological. Now where the human beings come from is that URSP working with police will inspect regularly or to see that you have not tampered with the chip. The chip must be there. So they will be inspecting that chip regularly, and this is the device. So it is about cooperation. So to the broadcasters and the owners of bars, don't wait for the government to come for you. Please cooperate voluntarily. Chiyamba mwe. Everybody who plays music will be licensed. If it is XYZ pub, it must have a license. If it is a radio station, it must be licensed. So if you have a business that uses music for entertainment, kitegeeza nti omwenge guleeta abantu naye music yabasikiriza. Omuganda agamba ekikuumbya engalabi bagambya okuwumbya oba okugumbya. Ekiwumbya engalabi mwenge gubula. So if you are playing music, the music makes people to come. Now the president, the government and the parliament and the creatives are saying you pay a share of what you earn because of that music. The musicians don't want all your music, all that money. So if King Karisa and his friends of the broadcasters tribe are using your song like Toyagale to do an advert, he will be paid maybe 40 million for the advert. Kenzo does not want your 40 million, he just wants his share of that 40 million according to the law. Because you have used his song to advertise Coca-Cola. There are those who have been saying that some musicians want their songs to be played on FM station for promotional purposes. We have left for you a window to agree with the FM. After all, there's what we call freedom of contract. you can excuse yourself and you say, for 1 year, Mao FM can play my song and I am not expecting to be paid because I know that after 1 year I will be big and then they will pay big also. That is between you and them. The law is flexible. I'm very pleased that the legends are now going to start earning. And Iteso, thank you for looking for these legends. Many of them had already gone to dig the banana plantations, the coffee farms. Gamwama bako wadda mu kibuga. Ne kibuga kiganye ne mwebale komawo. Diplo Segawa and all the other legends.